Hey, Lee here. I hope you're doing great. We just had this amazing rainstorm this morning, and I was driving around. I have this little convertible, which is my new toy. But I was driving around and thinking, just all, thinking, well, I don't get to put the top down and all that stuff. But then suddenly everything just cleared up, and bam, it's an incredibly beautiful day. Got a little tip for you about offline marketing, something that I think is really overlooked, and think this one thing adds thousands to my bottom line every year, so I wanted to pass this on. Every time you sell somebody something, so every time you sell somebody a website or a video marketing or email marketing solution, any of that stuff, anytime you do that, you need to get your client, the business owner, to let you push out a press release about this thing. We sell press releases $800, $1,500. Now these are high quality press releases, very well written. We use high-end platforms for these things, and they do the business owner a ton of good. They get a lot more traffic to the website, get a lot more eyeballs on whatever it is we're doing. This all results in more sales. I actually had a client a few years ago win a very, very prestigious award for entrepreneurs just because of one press release that we had done for them. So press releases are huge. Bottom line is this: they're really easy to do. And if you don't know how to sell a press release, or if you don't know how press releases work, sorry, I had a bug crawling on me. The perils of having a convertible, right? But if you don't know how press release marketing works and all that stuff, and if you're on YouTube, just look in the description just below this video and you'll see a link to a fabulous training product of ours, which includes our amazing software, which will actually write the press release for you. And these aren't like press releases that read like they're written by some automated thing, because they're not. It's basically formatting software, but it will help you format your ideas into a very, very nice press release. These are exactly the same kind of press releases that I've written for clients for years. But anywho, here's the deal. Start selling press releases. They're really easy to sell. Every time you do something for someone, you need to tell them, hey, we should be releasing a press release on this. Over half of the people that you say that sentence to are going to say yes right off the bat, and you will increase your bottom line by thousands of dollars. Well, it's either the wind or it's raining some more. I can't tell what's happening, so I'm going to sign off. This is Lee. Talk to you soon.